Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you this wireless charge bedside lamp that I got. Oh my gosh, so I got it on Amazon, and I will put the link down below for you because I have to show you. If you like waking up with sunlight, this is the way to go. So we're going to test it together just to make sure, but I wanted to unbox this with you. Oh, it's got a little thank you card in there and just talk about a few of the things that I really liked about it. But here's the picture, and you can see that light goes around. This is a light, and it's a touch light, so when you touch it, it gets bright. It also has a phone charger, which I have an iPhone that has that charger on it. So it works good for me. I'm assuming this is the charger, but it's got 10 different natural sounds in it. So if you like sounds when you're sleeping, that is a nice way to go. It has 2 different alarm clocks. So if you need 2 different alarms, maybe one for you, one for your partner, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever, it has that. Here's that charger. It's a nice wood there. So I figured we'd put it together. And what I really like about it is it has like it wakes you up, not just with sounds, but it also wakes you with this getting brighter and brighter and brighter, like a sun light. So it looks like our charger, I was going to say our charger goes in there, but no, I don't think that's it. That's why I said we'll put it together. Oh, here we go. It's got the DC in there. So we'll put that in. And then this one goes like this. Oh, it's already making noises. I probably should have did this first. And then you slide it over. And that's it. That's all the pieces. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my thing here. Oh, it couldn't have been making noises. That was just me. But here we go. Okay, there's a little red light there. That I don't know if I'd love. Oh, it's gone. And we've got the timer here. This must be the volume. I'm wondering if it has a radio. Not that I need that, right? But let's see if this works. Oh, it does. Look at that. So you just set it there and it charges. So, yes. Very nice. I like that. Let's see if, yep, when I touch it, it goes on. Here, let me turn my main lights off and we'll check it out. So that's off. The next light, and then the next light. So it's got 3 layers. And then this is the light, the clock there. All right, so we've got that. I'm going to turn this back on, turn my regular lights on. And what else is there? It's got a power off memory function. I don't know what that means. It's got a snooze function. I see the snooze there. And I guess that is everything it has, but it can wake you up. Let's see. I don't know what you have to do for that. We're going to see what all these buttons are for. Oh, okay. So this goes brighter. Let me turn this back off again. And it's so you can have it completely off if you don't need that, or you can have it bright, not as bright, and very little, which I would definitely use very little. So I love this because all you have to do is touch it. So in the middle of the night, you're not fumbling for a light switch. This has more and more things that I love. This is what I liked the most out of it. So, and it's got built-in natural sounds. How do we do that? Let's see. I know if you're not interested, I understand. Go ahead and maybe watch one of my other videos. But let's see here. If you are interested in natural sound mode, press the button. Oh, it says short press for 30, 60, 90, and off. And at the same time, the indicator light in the upper left corner will turn on. So I don't know. Rotate to maximize the volume. Okay. We're doing, oh, there it is. So we're touching this to turn it on and off. I don't know if you can see that. It's this button here. Turns it off, turns it on. Oh, okay, that S is for 30. So 30, 60, 90 off. So, oh, here's all the different sounds. That must be a fire. Camping. Thunder. Cars driving. Babbling brook. Baby sounds. Oh, and a clicking like a clock. So let's see how loud it can go. This is the loudest that it goes. So that's very cool. Then we get to do the alarm clock. You can, let's see how easy it is to set this alarm clock. In clock mode, long press this for 2 seconds. Okay, oh, there we go. So what time is it? It is currently 10. And then switch it again. And 10:32. And then switch it again. And there we go. Now we have the correct time on there. As you can see, yay! I'm glad that's easy to do. So I'm not going to set the alarms, but it looks like the alarm, you do the same thing. Well, we'll set it. Hold it down. Oh, it's currently for 7:30 a.m. So we're going to set this for 10:33. And you get to choose. Okay, so you just push it to turn it on and off, and we will see what happens when it goes to 10. There it is. And then you can hit snooze, and that must turn it off maybe. Yep, that's it. I love this. Oh, I like how you just easily turn that on and off. I love the waves. And I wouldn't listen to it as loud as it goes, that's for sure. That is way too loud. Probably go at like a 1. So, you guys, this is a nice little purchase here. So, let's see. That is a wireless charge bedside lamp. Again, I don't know if you want it or not, but I will put a link down below. It's called a dual alarm clock bedside table. So, all right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you for coming with me as I check out my new stuff. You guys, I have another thing to unbox for you. You're not going to believe it. It's beautiful. So I'll do that soon. All right, beauties. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.